Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make Seamoss gel. Seamoss gel is extremely good for your body. It has so many minerals and vitamins. I actually got my Seamoss from Nature's Hidden Secrets, and it's sold by Nakim Beauty and Organic Supply Store here in Jamaica. So I'm going to be showing you the benefits right about now. You can find the link to Nakim Beauty's website in the description box below. So I already washed my Seamoss twice, and then I threw off the water and I had it soaking in a pot of water for almost 12 to 24 hours. So here I'm going to basically be washing it again, simply because it came from the ocean, so it can have a lot of salt, a lot of sand, so you want to wash it as much as possible before the boiling process. Next, I am going to be putting about 3 cups of water. You don't want to completely submerge the Seamoss. You just want to slightly cover it. And I'm going to be boiling this on low heat. I boiled it for about 45 minutes. I did set a timer because I didn't want it to boil too long. This is how it's looking when it's cooled. As you can see, it's already formed a gel-like texture. Majority of the Seamoss has been boiled out and the water has become very gel-like. So now we're going to be putting this inside a blender, and then we're going to be blending it together until completely smooth. So pardon me, but I don't have a large blender, but this will do just fine. I've had my blender for about 4 years now, but I have my blender here, and then I'm basically going to be blending this. I did it for about 3 minutes, and I did check the consistency in between. So you're going to continue blending until you have a paste. So I have a clear 20-ounce jar right here. As you can see, it's so smooth, 0 clumps, and I'm gonna be basically pouring that into my jar and refrigerating the Seamoss. You want to try to consume this as fast as you can, because Seamoss is something that will go bad if you have it up to 2 or 3 weeks. You don't want to keep it so long. Based on my research, it's still growing even though it's been reaped from the sea. So you want to try and consume this. What I do, I try to consume a smoothie once a day, and that's very good. It's very filling for me. My partner says not so much, but for me it will be somewhat of a meal replacement. But that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.